In this video, I will show you how to make a Venn diagram on Google Drawings like this. At the end of this video, I will show you how to overlap these circles. Keep watching. First, I will delete this to show you. Let's get started. To make a Venn diagram, you will see here option shapes. Click on the shapes option, go to the shapes and click on this oval option. Now you will see this plus icon. Press shift on your keyboard to draw a perfect circle. Press Ctrl D on your keyboard to make a duplicate copy of the circle and align the circle with the first circle. You will see this red line which indicates that the circles are aligned properly. Now select both the circles and bring it to the center. Now to enter the text, click on this text box option and click inside the first circle. Type the letter or alphabet what you want inside this circle. Then double click, select it, change the font from here and increase the font size to let's say 48. Place this at the center of the first circle. Press Ctrl D on your keyboard to make a duplicate copy. Place it in the second circle and edit the text what you want in the second circle. Now again press Ctrl D on your keyboard to make duplicate copy and place it in the overlapping area. Now edit the text. Now we will overlap this area. To overlap, click on the first circle and you will see this fill color option. Under the fill color option, go to the plus icon here and you will see here different types of colors. You can select any color and you can adjust the shade from here. After selecting the shade, you will see here option transparency. Bring this slider up to 50% and click OK. Now click on the second circle. Go to the fill color option, click on custom and select the color of your choice. After selecting, again this time also bring the transparency to 50% and click OK. Now we have created a shaded area. To increase the border thickness, click on the first circle and click on this option to increase the thickness. Similarly, increase the thickness of the second circle. Adjust the text inside this shaded area. Now select all the circles with the text. Right click on it and click this option group. So whenever you click on it, everything will be selected and you can move it together. Now to save this Venn diagram, go to the file option, click on download and you can select either PDF or a image, JPG or PNG. Save the diagram and when you open the diagram, you will see a high resolution image like this. Now check out this useful video shown on screen that will show you how to make a Venn diagram on Google Docs and Google Slides. See you again in the next video.